Let's see how AI can improve our Airbnb listing, revenue, and booking. So this is a tool that automatically analyzes your Airbnb listing data. It includes your SEO performance, images, title, description, reviews, amenities, rules, etc. And use an engine developed based on Airbnb algorithm to bring your SEO, for example, bring your site up based on the SEO. And using all those algorithms that improve your visibility, booking rate, etc. And based on all that information that we have from Airbnb knowledge base and Airbnb algorithm, we use AI to provide a report to you to be able to improve your listing, run a report, provide some action items, and based on that, you should see some positive result on your listing. So let's give it a try. I will go to a dashboard, and here I already script and analyzed a couple of Airbnb listings. Let's say I want to go to airbnb.com, and here, let's say in Clearwater, I have this listing, and I copy the Airbnb URL, go to add new property, and you can drop the full link you grab from Airbnb, and we skip and trim that to actual acceptable URL. We don't need all the parameters that Airbnb provide to you. So I click on start analysis. This can take around 1 minute. So as you see, we provide some tips and tricks while you are waiting and seeing the screen for a minute or so. And what it does in the background, as I told you, first, it gets all the details and information about your Airbnb listing. It analyzes that and use the algorithm we have based on Airbnb rules and knowledge base to see what are your issues, your listing issues, what you can improve to bring more guests to your listing and have more revenue. So let's give it some time. And based on that, we should see some report. The report is really comprehensive UI, and the report you see a quick wins overview. We use AI to analyze the images and your title, description, etc. And based on that, using again AI, we analyze all that and provide actionable item for you to be able to improve your listing. And we also have a scoring system to score your SEO, score your reviews, score your rules, and score your amenities. And based on that, provides the information for you. So I'm going to pause for a couple of seconds, I think, left for the analysis to be done, and I'll be back and show you the report. Okay, so I paused for just a couple of seconds. Okay, I was right on time. So the analysis is done, and we get this report. Let's compare that. They're exactly the same images, the title here, description here, images, amenities, reviews, etc. So let's see what it did for us. So it brings the same title for us. You can click here to go directly to Airbnb, the overall score, a quick summary. You see excellent guest satisfaction and scenic amenities, but can enhance its visibility and guest experience features through targeted SEO, outdoor enhancement, and clear policy. So let's see what are a couple of quick wins we have. So the listing title should be updated. That's interesting one. The property description, keyword like waterfront villa, private pool, scenic views, etc., which it has great view. So definitely adding that there can improve their bookings, improving the quality of photos, rephrase rules with positive language. So that can be a roadblock for them, that when possible guests they see the rules and they feel like it's kind of too pushy, they don't book there. And let's see the analysis. For example, SEO analysis, we have category score, title has 70 over 100, description 80 over 100. What we have found, for example, areas to improvement, what you can add here, etc. Why it matters, to give some idea of why you should care about SEO optimization and title and description. And we used AI to be able to generate good title that can perform well with SEO, you can directly copy from here, and drop that in Airbnb. Reviews, for example, let's see, occasional presence of an outdoor pest such as large roaches. Oops. So these are all the reviews. We scraped all the reviews for the listing and provided this information here. So the host should be really careful with all these reviews and actually analyze these and improve the claims that their guest dropped in the review section. So what to do? We provide some actionable items here. Amenities, same here, what we have found. Wow, this sounds really good with amenities. And you have all the must-have amenities that competitors offer. Perfect, looks good. There are some missing stuff. Here they can add to improve this score from 80 to 100. And they have superhost, but guest favorite, they are not. And rules, there are some important fixes, especially, for example, a smoke alarm, carbon monoxide detector, first aid kit. There are really safety features that they should be careful about, and Airbnb really cares about those to be added in your amenities and in your listing. So policy fixes, strict penalties, for example, they have. So these are some pushbacks for the guests that they can be improved. And actionable items for each section we analyzed in the listing. For example, SEO, you have a couple of actionable items, you can check them, mark them, etc. And for each section, you have the analysis. And share button, if you want to email that to your co-host, for example, you want to download that as PDF, or providing a public link that everyone can access, you have these here. So if I go to back to my dashboard, and if I go to the end of the list, so this is the recent listing we added in our platform. So you have view on Airbnb, delete listing, or click here to go to the full report. And you have a really quick score overview of your listing here.